Wow, I learned something really cool from one of my clients. That's right. A client paid me to learn how to master workshops that sell. Dave Sanderson. Really brilliant guy, but I learned about the power of a real mastermind. Not these whole, hey, pay 25 grand to go to mastermind. You come there and there's 200 people there. So sure, wink, wink, it's a mastermind. No, it's not. It's really a seminar. Anyhow, he did the OG style. He had one of those early mentors. I mean, really wealthy. I won't say who, and maybe he's keeping that close to his chest, but like really uber successful human beings mentor him at a really early age. And he's doing this to this day because he asked him to do that, which was this: go to where those masters are, go to them, no matter where they're at on the planet. You see, he has a group of inner circle members that when he finds a master, he goes, okay, we're going to go hang out with him. And so when he started working with me, he goes, hey, Ted, you got to help my other people. All you got to be willing to do is do a dinner with us. Spend a night with us, sharing your best insights and advice. And so I was happy to do it for Dave, but he brought his group of people. And you know what? I realized, because no one's charging for anything ridiculous, we're just getting together. But it's not just, it's a commitment. That guy was on his way to the airport at 6 a.m. He texted me and said he landed at home, got home at 2 a.m. that next day. That's all day flying. That's a true commitment, but there's powers in it. And I know he knows there's value in it. He talks about it in his Moments Matter magazine. This guy's been around, you know. You want to get to know more about Dave Sanderson. He spent 10 years with Tony Robbins. Let you know the masters he hangs out with. Tony Robbins' boy, Jarek Robbins, was just on the front cover of that magazine recently. Really smart people inside this magazine, because I know you're probably not going to get a chance to be in his inner circle, but at least you can pick up the moments that matter the most through his magazine. I'll put the link in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the inside.